Good afternoon, everybody. Dr. Brian Nell coming to you from Cypress Pillar Healing Arts. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about tea, but mostly what I wanted to focus on with this little video is the different applications of loose leaf tea. Now here at Cypress Pillar we have multiple different types of loose leaf tea and tisanes and herbal teas that we can offer to you, and so I thought it would be nice to explain some different ways in which they can be prepared. Now, the old style way of doing it would have been use something such as this, which is an example of what's called a gaiwan. And a gaiwan, what you would do is, now this is no longer in service as a gaiwan, but ignore the chip here. And what you would do is you would put your tea leaves into it, fill it with water, cover it so it would steep. And when you were ready to drink it, you would use the lid to gently brush the leaves out of the way, hold them back, and sip at it. And so you wouldn't even worry about straining it. You would just leave the tea leaves in there, and when you were done, you would add more water and enjoy your tea. Now there's some modern versions of this. So this is a teacup that I got from Japan. Very much the same way here, that you can scoop it out of the way, hold it back, sip your tea, and then when you're done, you just refill and can enjoy that tea over again. Now, here I have a tetsuban, and this is a good example of a more modern tea pot that you can use. So you can use a teapot, and what makes this nice is that it has a metal strainer inside. Now, if you have your metal teapot, you fill this with your tea leaves, set it inside, fill that with your water, again, cover it, and then when it's ready, you're able to just remove, and you can enjoy your tea without oversteeping. One of the big drawbacks to the gaiwan is you can oversteep if it sits too long. With this, you just remove this, set this to the side, and you're able to enjoy your tea, and when you're ready for some more, you put it in, fill it up again. Now, if you're looking for a smaller solution, so you don't want to make an entire teacup of it, a teapot of it, you can make just a singular teacup. And so here's an example, one of two examples that I have. This is a simple little strainer. This is actually purchased at IKEA. You're able to fill it with the tea. You set it into your teacup like so, fill the water. When you're ready, you can just remove it, drink, and when you want more, you set it back in and can refill the water. So this is one example. And then another example, this one is more of a traditional English style. And the reason I say this is what you would use if you were having, say, English tea, high tea, is this little clamshell like tea strainer where you would open it up, you would fill it with some tea, close it back up like a nice little locket. You can put that into your teacup, keeping the metal chain, in this case, this chain off to the side, or even hooking it to the side. And then when you're done, you're able to remove, set to the side, and enjoy your tea. So this is just some simple, quick ways in which that we're able to enjoy tea. They're not expensive. And it can make it a more enjoyable experience because you don't have to worry about oversteeping. So hopefully this gives you some good examples of how to enjoy some of our wonderful teas that we offer here, or some of your personal favorites. Hopefully this gives you a little bit better idea and to enjoy the second most drank drink in the world. And hopefully this will spur you to try some more. So with that, I bid you a farewell and have a wonderful day.